Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we now have all the Blons in the channel. We have the 01, 03, 05, and of course the newest one in our channel, the Blon Mini. And we did put the KS1 because it's kind of a Blon kind of sound as well. So yes, the Blon Mini is a different tuning compared to the other Blons in the channel. It has maybe the TFZ kind of sounded, but yes, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. That will help out the channel a lot. And let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to. I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.